back, everybody. It's Mr. Miatanut. It's another great sunny day here at Mr. Miatanut World Headquarters, and we're going to get back into digging into this 911. Today we're going to work on removing the driver door airbag, take out the seat, and remove the driver seat airbag, and also remove the front seat belts out of the car. We're going to start by removing the driver door trim panel. Let's get going. There we go. At first succeed if you don't have the right Torx bit. A flathead screwdriver will always work. And there we have it. One more behind the mirror. Awesome. And there's our door panel. Looks like we may be okay. Got a little damage right here on the back. We might be able to glue back together. But overall looks pretty good. Let's set that to the side. Alright, now we're going to remove the airbag. And always make certain we've already disconnected the battery to the car, but make sure the battery is always disconnected and the system is discharged before you start working on the airbags. Now we're going to disconnect the wiring harness and move this clip right here. And there we go. There's our driver door airbag. Pretty easy to replace and remove. Now we're going to start on removing the driver's seat out of the car. Alright, now we're ready to take out the driver's seat out of the car. One of the seat covers off. I'll get the other cover off. believe that's it. Pull the seat out. We're going to start by removing the driver's side seat belt. Remove the driver's side seat cushion. That out of the way. Remove the weather stripping on the door. Push that back. Let's see. Looks like we just got one bolt at the bottom here. Let me see if I can break it loose. There we go. We got the seatbelt assembly loose. See if we can get it pulled out of the hole it's in. Beautiful. Disconnect the wiring harness. Now we need to, here's the seatbelt assembly. We'll have to send it off and get it re-reeled and get the explosive redone in it. Disconnect the seatbelt from the bottom of the side of the cab. We got another 17mm bolt down here. Beautiful. Alright, and there's that. Now let's get one little bracket in here. It's got a couple of 10mm bolts. Let's see if we can slide everything through there. Beautiful. And there we have it. We now have the driver seatbelt assembly removed from the car. That wasn't too bad. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the passenger side, and then we're going to send these off and get them re-webbed, get them redone, and they'll be ready to go here in the next couple weeks. Hey guys, now we're going to try to remove the airbag out of the driver's side of the driver's seat. I've been looking at this for a minute, and you've got one little clip right here on the top. Basically, you got two plastic clips on the sides that slip in on each side of the back of the seat. Those just pop right out the side here. This one just pops up. You can just almost kind of push it up, and pull it out and get it out of the way. Then you've got a little plastic piece right here, and a little plastic piece right here that clip into a little metal retainer corresponding right here on the inside of the seats. So we got those pulled loose. Now we're going to try to pull loose this retainer on the top of the seat. I think we can get to it without that. See if I can get there's 2 bolts on the back side of the airbag. Let's see if I can get to both of those. Got 1 bolt out. Got the 2nd bolt out. And let's turn the seat around so you can see this. Like, I've already disconnected the harness here. Looks like we got a ground screw right here. Let me get my... And there we have it. Now we have the seat airbag out. That was pretty easy. Now time to order replacement door airbags and seat airbags for the car, and we'll get it put together on the next video. Thank you, everybody.